Yes, so my correct people. You see all these PDP, APC things they are doing in Nigeria, that you people think is a normal thing, you'll be clapping for them. What has happened is our leaders are spoiling our names outside. You people think it's a small thing. Our leaders are spoiling our names outside. If not, how will Canadian court declares APC Pdp terrorist organization? This is bad. This is all shade bad. A Canadian federal court has upheld a landmark ruling declaring Nigeria two dominant political party, the All Progressive Congress APC and the People Democratic Party PDP, as a terrorist organization. Why dismissing the asylum appeal of a former member, Douglas Ekperava, over his descended long affiliation with both parties. In a judgment declared June 17, 2025, Justice Pion Ingo dismissed Nkparova bid to overthrow a Canadian Immigration Appeal Division decision that found him inadmissible under security provision of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Board. You can imagine somebody that is a leader of a political party is going to another country to go and seek asylum. Is that not a murmurism? Is that not a pamparism? No. This is unacceptable. Canadian Minister of Public Safety argued that both the APC and PDP were deeply implicated in electoral violence, political spying, and subversion of democratic acts that amounted to terrorists under Canadian law. Court orders show that Ekperava joined the PDP in 1999, defeated to APC in 2007, and remained there until 2017. He entered Canadian that year, openly declaring his political history. However, immigration officer flagged him affiliation based on intelligence report linking both parties to widespread electoral malpractice and political motivated buying. You can imagine. You can imagine the two party people are putting on your head. Hey. I hope our politicians are learning. Because the both party that guy was involved with, they were involved in electoral malpractice. They were involved in buying party. You know, people understand? They know who they are. They should continue to deny it, but look at it, it's glaring in their face. Canadian is a country where the judiciary is working effectively. Nigeria know this and know peace. You understand? Somebody said, after declaring them a terrorist organization, what next? You are joining political party. Join at your own risk. It's for your own future. You go to countries like Canada, US, Australia, they will look at your political history. They will say, oh, you are in PDP, you are in APC. That is a political brugadash. They will drive you out of their country. Truth is bitter. Congratulations to Canada courts. 2023 presidential election was the climax. We need more of this ruling in other countries so that Nigeria will sit up. You understand? Hey, my brothers and sisters, truth be told, honestly speaking, these two political parties in Nigeria, they dealt with Nigeria. They finished with Nigeria. As a matter of fact, Nigeria don't even know where they stand right now. You understand? Some people are saying they are just making mockery of Nigeria. US and UK are partly responsible for some of this suffering and misfortune grabbing Africans. Hey, well, keep quiet. If you know what your political leaders do, you will find somewhere and swap yourself. You understand? However, the West has been the reason why political bigotry and ivululo continues in Nigeria. Nigeria, our leaders are 100% corrupt. You see our leaders, nothing good can come out of them. You understand? Nothing good. That's how I will say, long live Canadian courts. You rightly say nothing but the truth. The above people, PDP and APC, those so-called parties are worse than terrorism. They are evil dominated. You understand? In short, they should give them a modern name. It's so unfortunate to call them a terrorist organization. The federal government should take up this matter and challenge the judge in court. You understand? If they are sincere, but they cannot challenge. The The federal government cannot challenge. If those political parties have been doing better, the court will have no reason to give them such a name. It's because they have not been doing better. You understand? That's why they say in all their doings, have sense. You will carry political party on your head. Look at it now. Look at it now, my brothers and sisters. It's not a small thing. It's not a small shoot bed, mama fly. If you know, you know. Pray for Nigeria. It's not easy.